Anyway, let's get on to the important stuff, shall we? Why does this music keep stuttering like that? Am I like having connection issues right now? Maybe I am. Steam downloading a bunch of stuff? No. Silent Hill 2 update? What? Of unspecified size? I didn't even know you could do that on Steam. Thought it auto-calculated that the second you downloaded it. Or like that it detected the update. Anyway. We're here once again to work on Goon's House of Doom 2. As a matter of fact, specifically... Wait, what's up with his arms? What is that animation? Oh. That can't be his default pose, right? Crossed arms disapprovingly. What on earth is happening? Is this just not working tonight? Well, I'm not dropping frames upload-wise, so I guess that's okay. Very strange how the music keeps stuttering, though. We might need a solution for that if this doesn't matrix math. Scaredy cat, what's up? ZD, that's right. Three-dimensional matrix math, no less. I mean, I'm making it sound more dramatic than it is. But still. Yeah, what is this? What is your arm pose doing here? Alright, let's disable this animation tree entirely. Not active. Animation player, not active. Alright, in theory now, we shouldn't have the animations overlapping our head bone. How did Bomberman go? We finished World 5. And that's it. I still have to do World 6. Okay, so he's just... Wait, no, this is working. Kind of. Well, no, his head is like stretching outwards, but it is working, kind of. Wait, what is the code doing? I thought I had it just like having him rotate slowly, but I guess maybe I actually have it trying to look at whatever it's trying to look at. Okay, set it to its original position, which we set on initialize, which gets called during the like start method, right? Yep. Oh no, right. We have the like delayed start just so it can like scan the room properly when it's looking for objects. Or like when it initializes, like I want to be sure that all the objects that it is going to care about exist in the room before any processing happens. I think you misunderstood my emote. Which boss fight? the mech thing? Also, it turns out the mech thing, the problem I had with it is I was supposed to kick the bomb at the face of it. For some reason, like, the guides all say throw a pumped up bomb on top of it, which looks right, because the part that you blow up is its little antenna on top, but the hitbox to hurt the guy and that antenna overlap, and the fact that they take more hits to blow up on hard compared to normal means you're probably not going to blow it up before you kill him. Yeah. No, I was just raging in general because I was stuck on it for 3 hours. I wasn't mad at you at all. Generally, unless chat's saying something that's like actually fucked up, I'm never like actually mad at anyone. I mean, that may come off like I'm angry at you guys sometimes, but genuinely, no. I like to rage at the game sometimes. That spills out at chat, but trust me, that's not like entirely accidental in my tone. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, I was playing that boss for like 3 hours in a row, and then I gave up, went to stage 3, and then went back to it for like, oh god, what was it? I want to say it was like less than 10 minutes we got it. It took a couple tries, but we figured it out pretty quickly. I just like tried different things, and I was like, oh wait, I can get his nose without, or his antenna thing without hitting his face if I just kick a normal bomb at him. Which is a lot easier to execute on while he's throwing like homing missiles at you every 2 seconds. That boss is still like really flawed in its design, but I was absolutely making it harder for myself, though. I can certainly see that. This, I don't know what this is all up to. Okay, yeah, that's like directly setting it the thing you're supposed to like look at. Oh yeah, no, I'm setting the position. Yeah, that's not good. Oh right, because bone rotation wasn't working. Yeah, get this bone position stuff out of here, because this isn't even right. But now that I've disabled all of the animations for this player, set bone rotation should work. I don't know why position is something I can set regardless of whether or not an animation's running, because position is one of the three things. Again, it goes back to like probably my misunderstanding of like modeling and stuff, because like you can track position and like if you're doing like rigging animation where you're using the bones of a 3D model to animate it, you can do like rotation, position, and scale of like, you know, your three factors in a game. You can track any of those, and I don't know if it's just because the idle animation is strictly rotation and nothing else, that it's like overriding any rotation I try to set programmatically here. A position or momentum, but not both. But yeah. I think what I want to do is take like... Okay, so I'll have the bones... Yeah. Okay, so I want to rotate it locally on an axis, right? Alright, so if we rotate it on the y-axis, which should be... Like, I got this right? This is y, yep. So if we're doing it just on that axis and we just do it by an angle or whatever, we should be able to make the head rotate slowly. I mean, we can also try this on a bone that isn't the head, like maybe one that's not being animated. I'll try that after I get this other thing set up here. I also have a lot of stuff in this class that I want to refactor, but that's... we gotta get it working first. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Alright, so if I can rotate the bone... Actually, hell, even just rotating it locally might suffice. Well, that gives me a transform back, though. The axis must be a normalized vector, that's fine. Done at the local frame, equivalent to multiplying the matrix from the right. Yeah. So that doesn't account for world space. I think we probably will want the global rotation. Yeah, you know what? Screw local, do global, because like ultimately we'll need the relative global position of the player's head as well as the thing we want them to look at. That's the later's problem. Exactly. What's up? I almost called you Dr. Hungry Panda. What's up, Mr. Hungry Panda? How's it going, dude? Just merged two former coworkers, Dr. Chicken Salad and you. Time for a name change? You could. Oh man, did you hear about my name change? I mean, my name is back now, although I do need to fix the capitalization on it, but that's neither here nor there. Like, my username got banned due to the colloquial use of Goon, or the modern colloquial use of Goon. It is back, yeah, we got it back. They accepted my appeal, and that was the end of it. Nice and simple. Appreciate that. Do I do state machine or black box diagrams? When I'm like, yeah, short answer, yes. We're doing a state machine for the animation currently. Like that mostly works off of like two state machines, one for the arms, one for the legs, and then, oh no, and there's just variables that we use to toggle like different states based off like whether the player has a weapon equipped, whether they're like currently aiming the weapon or not. So yeah. Now, if you're talking in a broader sense of like just using state machines to like either mock out the flow of execution for something, absolutely yes. I haven't done that on stream ever, but that's neither here nor there. Has it like built in the development environment? Yeah. Okay, we want vector 3 dot up. That will be our y-axis only rotation. To open Unity Battle Royale project, demo project instantly failed. RIP. I like to see your diagram stuff sometimes. I do want to do that for the architecture of the game, and that's actually relevant to you specifically, ZD, since you know you're helping out. Haven't done that yet though. It's just so much smaller. Battle Royales are one of those things where it's like you're taking on a lot of shit at once, but there's got to be like decent templates that you can at least work off of to like try to understand fundamentals inside of that. Skills are more architectural design. Well, that's all good too. Yeah, I wrote up like a Word document describing the architecture, but like, one, it's incomplete. Two, I feel like a diagram is just easier to, or like faster to digest. Having both is good though, because like, if you need like a cursory glance of like, where the hell is this thing that happens in the game code, the diagram's great for that. But then if you need like a nuanced, like super detailed description of what it's doing, then you have like the Word document to cross-reference. See a larger scale solution in Unity. I mean, that's certainly doable. I feel like I'm hitting the boundaries of Godot in some spots here. Cool. In the repo, yeah. No, actually, that should be in Discord. In my Discord, there is a... It's not a secret channel, but it's a channel that only people working on the project should have access to. Yeah, under interests, I don't know why I put it in interests, but the God2 dev channel has links to all the documents that I set up. Or not, actually. Hold on a second. Oh, wait, no, yeah, okay. They aren't all linked in there, but the architecture document is. I'll get the other links in there later. Those are all just Google Docs. I could put links to them into the repo as well, but I don't know. That I don't want to, like, make as easy to access, because that link does give you, like, comment access, and I don't want randos. Not that it's going to happen. Private's not equal secret, exactly. Yeah, it's an access thing, not a, like, oh, I don't want to tell anyone about this thing. Okay, hold on. I need to refresh my memory here. When I have a transform 3D and I do rotate it on it, does that... I think I need to take the result of that and then update the rotation of what the new transform is outside of it, but I'm not sure. Which is actually going to be a problem, sort of. Oh yeah, shoot. What? Okay, this just needs a quaternion. Okay, let's try this. Godot set bone pose rotation. Skeleton 3D.set bone pose rotation stopped working in 4.1.2. Man, I hope that person just did something wrong. Like, for this whole time, I thought I was like, okay, I'm having issues because my animations are running and those are dictating, like, where the position of this bone is, so it's, like, not... Like, that's taking precedence over my code telling it to go here. But now I'm wondering if, like, maybe that they just are, like, trying to kill this endpoint and not let players do this, but I don't know, or players, devs do this. I don't know why that would be a thing, though. Okay, well, that hasn't yielded great results. How to control bones in Godot. Thanks, man. Oh, this is actually like a really good example of what I'm trying to do. What the fuck just happened to my UI? That's weird. Okay. Oh, crap, chat. This might be kind of simple, actually. I think I might need to do it inside physics process, not process. Whoopsie doodle. Big if true. Okay. I'm just gonna copy this example code here, because, like, I've failed to do this on my own, like, 4 times. I mean, you can see all the commented code right here. Let's just do it from the top. Get bone pose. Oh, right. Oh, yeah, hold on. Skeleton. Character skeleton dot get bone pose. pose rotation. Bone index. Bone index we can trust. We know this is accurate because we were able to move that bone around positionally, just not rotationally. This might be kind of simple, programmer. You got me there. If input dot is action pressed, we'll just hard code it because I'm not using this code anyway. It's gonna just, this will be a way to make the character look up and down with your keyboard, basically, is what I'm... Damn it, I'm writing in GGScript format. T equals T dot slurp. I am actually gonna need to steal some of the... Well, need to. I could steal some of this code when it comes to actually, like, gradually looking at the object, because that's what I want. I don't want the head to just snap. I mean, if I can't get it to gradually look, fine, but, like, slurp is... I've done this already with other things for getting movement between 2 points gradually with a slurp. The slurp. Yeah, slurp, new vector 3. What on earth is this? What's this clown music that's playing? What the heck? I feel like I should multiply weight by the delta time, right? Or the delta time that wants to float there, I think. Yeah. No, wait is at the very end. Okay. That's where I'm screwing up. And now I have too few, wait, no. Quaternion takes a vector. Wait. This seems to suggest that I can just create a quaternion like this, with nothing else. Is that Bubsy music? That is fucking Bubsy music, isn't it? Nope, it's Vegas Stakes. God, I miss C#. Do you? I mean, I guess what's happening right now is not really C#'s fault. Basis. Oh, you know what? It's just... I think I know what's happening. It's kind of annoying. I think Basis is similar to Vector, but it's a different class. No, just straight up, like, there is no way to create something with just this and no angle. Hey, what's up, Turner? Quality of life is so much higher than Python. In the Python, doing some Python these days. It's cool. Is there, like... Quaternion... The problem with Quaternion is it needs, like, a fourth dimension to properly be what it is, which is why all these constructors require other parameters. I'm very confused why this example doesn't have, like... And then slurp is just, I need the weight, so like, there's... One of these two things needs another number. Not sure what this person's doing here. Oh, there's a weird little fun fact for you, chat. If you ever wanted to eyeball the, which index a bone is, apparently they just go from 0 upwards, however they're viewed in the UI here. You can also look them up by name, which is what I'm doing, which is, I don't know, whatever. Dude, I'm glad that my upload is really good right now. My download apparently sucks. I thought it was just Twitch being weird earlier, but like even my playlist here is stuttering, so I don't know. Okay, I know what's going wrong. The Quaternion wants a normalized vector for this. So this is just nonsense. This fucking... Give it the 200 for the angle, I think, and then slurp by 0.1. I think... I don't know, I guess maybe effectively it works that way if you're using GScript or something, but... Or GScript, but... I don't know. I don't know much about Quaternion. I just used it because Godot kept telling me to. Lol. Thanks, man. I need another part of this. Set bone pose. Right. Skeleton? No. Bone? No. No, maybe, yeah, skeleton. Set bone. Oh, yeah, no, right. Bone. Pose, rotation. Don't know what I misspelled there, but that's fine. Bone index and T. That should all be good. Working with a different stream is stable. Thanks for confirming. Yeah, like, it's weird. Every time I look back, like, my playback stutters, but then I look at OBS and it's like, nope, you dropped 0 frames, you're good. Just a weird day internet-wise. No. Now the reverse. Not that this really matters that much. If I can get it to work on one, then that works. That's all. The framework I don't like, I Google common error and they comment as how to use different framework. Lol. Yeah, sometimes communities get that way. And then yeah, you just did the negative for the other one, right? Yeah. Also, I feel like this is not going to go on the axis that it says it is, because this seems to make it look like it'll be like this, or like a finger going like up and down or whatever. But no, wait, yeah, if it's on the x-axis, then that would be this way, so... Okay, yeah, that's true. Never mind, we're good. I gotta do the fucking right-hand rule in my head, chat. This day. Alright. Sure... Oh, I didn't save. Well, I think it might... well, that might save, but I know the script files definitely don't. We did save the script file, though, so that's good. I mean, it's not like anything we changed on the model just now was anything relevant. Alright. Up. Down. Hey, it's working! Okay, something works. Now, let me turn the animations back on and see if it still works. Also, I broke the animations last time, so we'll need to fix that at some point. Oh shit. Shit, we gooning. What's up, Static Haze? It's popping in here tonight. Some level of progress has been made. Now it no longer works. The crazy thing is, like... I don't know. Well, one, I don't know why... Okay, this pose he's in right now, that's not even, like, a pose. That's not one of my animations. I don't know what this crossed arm thing is. Also, this is an animation, but it's the wrong one. And we've even checked the animation flags, and they're not set incorrectly. He's doing the gun walk for some reason. And then he crosses his fucking arm when he does that. I don't know what's doing that. It's not even like a pose, bro. Made Wayne from Wayne's World party on. That's more of a Beavis and Butthead thing, though. That was the worst imitation of Beavis and Butthead that's ever been done. And there's a lot of bad ones out there. Possum and I have been rewatching King of the Hill. It's quite a fun rewatch. Not every episode's like a 10 out of 10, but there's some good ones in there for sure. It's a great imitation of Beavis and Butthead. I still remember when I was a child, begging my father to take me to Beavis and Butthead Do America. I eventually wore him down, so cheers to him. Have you ever seen the SNL Beavis and Butthead skit? I have not. I have also seen very few SNL in general. Not a big SNL guy myself. I think the most I was ever into it was when I was in like high school, which was like the peak of Sean Connery impersonation in Celebrity Jeopardy. And The Lonely Island popping off. I guess that was a little bit after I got out of high school. That's not true, I guess. I don't know. I feel like I'm on a Boat was there when I was in high school. Matrix Math mentioned? Oh, we summoned him. What's up, Ant? How's it going? That's great. That's like I actually want to see a clip of. Oh, I should check it out then. I'm totally down. I'm good for I can appreciate good SNL for sure. Just yeah. Alright, so this does work when I have all the animation stuff disabled. It does not work when I don't. Rather than get my other code working within, or like around the context of the animation stuff, I want to figure out what the heck is messing with the skeleton here. Pardon me. Is something that I'm doing in init like screwing stuff up? Refresh target nodes. Man, I have so many plans for this class too. Like, I want to make this a generic script so other stuff can look at stuff, and like you can look at stuff on demand. But we got to figure out this other stuff first. Can I add a bone in? No, right. This is what I was saying. Let's just change which bone that we're messing with here. What doesn't move? Here, let me open frickin' whatchamacallit, Blender. The heck is this song from? This is from Clue for Super Nintendo. Incredible. Alright, what bone? I mean, our idle animation uses 0 bones, so I guess any bone is fair game. Sounds like some OSR. That's what I was thinking. I was like, what the hell is this? Wait, what is this bone? Hold on a second. It's hip. This hip. Beanbot? Actually, better question, because the way I have this currently wired up is I do have to press up and down, which will trigger his walking animation. Enjoy your BRB? Oh, hell yeah. Have a good gym session. Beanbot. See you later, in. Alright, so the walk loop, right? Which of these bones... I mean, it should only be his legs, right? I think we can take the hip. I guess the thigh moves. Neither side of the hip moves, but the center hip definitely doesn't move, so that's good to know. Wait, no, hold on, what the hell? God, again, I wish I would, like, select them on the skeleton so I would know. You know, that's hip right, hip left, and there's just central hip. So we can... we can move the hip bone. This might look silly. That confirms it. And what the hell is the hip bone called? While we're at it, because I do look these up by name. Oh yeah, it's just called hip. I guess that's index 0. But yeah, we can see if my thesis is right here. Yeah, bone index 6, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, boom. And by my thesis, I mean like literally just a piece of documentation I read like 20 minutes ago. You know, my thesis. Dude, okay, hold on a second. Can I just like not do like any of this stuff? Oh wait, actually no, I need the bone index. Give me his hip. And then screw, well, wait, no, don't screw initialize, we need that. Screw all this other stuff. We'll get back to that later. Oh yeah, that's code that I wish I could, like, centralize better. I wonder if I broke his bones, just from the latest export. That might have happened, I hope not. Oh, actually, because there's an... Whoa! Okay, also, yes, this does work. I thought this was gonna look very different, I'll be honest. Also, I'm seeing the errors in the debug console there. Thrusting power. It's like an action figure. Null reference. Oh. What the hell? I thought I commented that out. Oh. Oh. Right. Return. Hey, my throttling's working, so it is only calling that once per second. Yeah, so I think even like this probably have like a boolean associated with it, where it's just like, is the player actively looking at stuff? So that way we can turn it on and off. Hey, me. Chad, I'm so sleepy. I've done nothing but sleep this entire weekend, though. I guess it's probably part of it, but... Okay, follow-up question, though. Are his arms still broken? Because his arms seem like they're broken, and I don't know what's up with that. We're getting somewhere, though. Oh, wait, shit, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, no, his arms are still broken. No more errors getting, sent out there. Oh, right, I commented out the debug log. What is this? Unreachable code? Oh, yeah. No shit, Sherlock, I did that on purpose. Alright, well that has nothing to do with his broken bones. It might be the export, then, I don't know. It's very strange, though, because again, he is doing, like, a pose that, What the hell is look at target? Oh, yeah, is this... What the fuck? Oh, okay. I'm like, how did it open, like, a page of documentation? Every morning I break my arms, every night I break my legs, and wait for the heart attacks to put me to sleep. My, paper... What the fuck is the copy pasta for that? Classic. So it is entirely related to the fact that it thinks the head is part of this animation. And all of the animations, actually, which is rather annoying. But again, if I go back, so for example, we have our walk loop, right? The head, I mean, who cares? The head's not tracked. Toggle channels through muting. So maybe this is what I gotta do. Go through all my animations and, like, just disable the head. This one does involve the head, but that's okay. We want that. Don't track the head. If it's as simple as this, I'm gonna scream. Although, wait, no, it can't be, because the fucking hip is like that, right? Like, the hip is just there. Also, that's hand left, not head. Also, the head's not even a factor in this one. The heck? Alright, here's where I fumble with Blender for a bit, I guess. Blender. Exclude bone from animation. Is it possible to exclude a bone from automatic keyframing? Creating a rig without bones. How to remove all / clean all keyframes for specific bones. Yes. Only selecting bones. Don't subdivide the bone. Wait, I'm not even selecting the bone. Separate bones. Nope. Viewport / pose mode. Pose mode. Yes, pose mode. Still no head, though. That's the crazy part about it. Show them in the dope sheet. It's the thing below me, the dope sheet. God damn it, dude. I'm not an animator. I don't know these terms. Deleting all keyframes in the dope sheet. Okay. Well, here, though. Let's... Whoa. Let's go to blank. Idle walk. Okay, head. Oh yeah, head has position at all three of these. But if I delete the keyframes here... Oh, that's the idle loop. So it should, sort of, I guess. Why is this not, like, playing also? I find this to be rather odd. The animation's not, like, playing out. What on earth? Smoked all the dope. Oh, is it because I did that? No, it's not because I did that. Yeah, so here's what I'm talking about, why it was weird that I was able to move the head, because even the idle animation, like, it tracks locations, so that should be position. Like, otherwise, I kind of understand it, but... Yeah, so this doesn't even have that bone. This at least has the head. Oh yeah, but that's like what I did, is like I erased like the head bone from all these animations, right? But like, it's still there on the actual armature, so like that should be okay. Like I think this is what I wanted, is to like have no frames where it's doing that. Oh, you know what? I've got an idea actually. This could be the case. I don't know for certain though. I mean, maybe it's just because there is the idle animation that does control the head. I'm not even sure. I have to re-export this at some point. Let me see this though. If I do go to the animation tree here. So we got output. Output. I just want to know if any of these are somehow referencing the idle animation. And this just adds the arms and legs. And there's not like... Oh yeah, we even like filtered the head out from this, and it like just didn't... Alright, so there is no filtering, but if we... fill all of these but the head, like... I feel like it would just ignore the head at that point, but I don't know. It doesn't seem to do that. I do wonder if I completely close Godot and then roll back my changes to the model if anything changes. Other than, like, we go back to playing the idle animation here, but that's, like, whatever. So, you play the blank animation. You have no animation associated with you. It's really annoying to select these for some reason. Arrow filtering wasn't checked on that last menu, was it supposed to be? Well, we tried doing that previously, is what I was saying. And it didn't seem to work, but maybe I didn't do it right. But yeah, it should be... Oh, right, shoot. There we go. I kind of undid everything I did last time. Oh. Wait, no, what? I don't know why that... So these don't have animations associated with them. This references the blank animation. Equip pistol, aim pistol, aiming pistol, aim pistol, fire pistol. Okay. Nothing too wild there. Good catch though, thanks. I didn't realize I didn't check that on my way out there. Oops. I'm still grabbing the hip bone. Dang it. Alright, hip bone. Thank you for your help, but we won't need that anymore. Okay, so the animations are still busted, and the head will not go up and down. I do wonder if, like, this was just, like, a bad export or something. Also, give me 1 second here, chat. I'm gonna export our model again. It's a good old GLB file. Alrighty. Oops. There we go. Oh, right, we exported it, but then we need to go grab the model so that we can plop it in place. There's the models. Humanlow.glb, where are you? There you are. Updated March 2nd, 8:51, correct. Goes in the model folders, correct. Oh, maybe he's doing the aim pistol animation, but it's like messed up or something? It's like a re-import button. Nice material, my man. Oh, re-import. There we go. Boom. Okay. Still can't get a clear answer on what edit filters actually does. At least not out of their documentation. It's kind of like, it edits the filters. It's like, well, what does that mean? And what is up with this guy? Is what I really want to know. Oh, man. Bottom left? Bottom left? What about bottom left? This thing? I found it? What did I find? The re- Oh, thank you. Naming version... I mean, wait. Are we on Godot 2? Yeah, we're on 4.3. I mean, it doesn't really matters. There's not really any textures to, 30 FPS? What the heck? 60 FPS animation. All those frames in there. That's gonna fuck everything up, isn't it? Console gaming. This is concerning, but whatever. Well, regardless of all of that, none of that changes anything. We still have the same problem. Okay, if I turn off one or other, like, bleh. Like, I need both of these on to have the animations run properly, right? Apparently not. But that doesn't actually solve our problem anyway. Okay, cool. So again, if I just turn off the animation tree entirely, now I can mess with the head bone, right? This should work on the head. Yep. I'm also really unsure why the heck his default, like, position is like this. Especially when I, like, look here and his default position's like this. What would I need to redo? Oh, I guess the entire animation tree needs to be rebuilt if I were to, like, re-import this scene or something. Ugh. That certainly sucks. Add arms, legs. The hell? No description available. Cool. Oh, these are my... yeah, these are the parameters that I defined. Okay, so here's a question, right? Let's say instead of any of this... just never run any of it, period. What happens? Is the animation still fucked? Like, that's the thing that's confusing me the most, is like, why are his arms just crossed like this now? Like, what happened? What the fuck happened to my model, Godot? Yeah, no, it's still fucked. Okay. Okay, rather than rolling it back, let's try this. I'm gonna get cheeky with this. I'm gonna make a branch. So you should get to the bottom of that? Yeah, I think I need to, like, either roll back. I'm gonna branch my code off really quick, like. Look at feature. Look at logic. Yes, main is the default. Yes, switch, no, bring my changes. Switch branches. I should have just opened a console. Anyway. So momentarily, let's do this. Just check in. Okay, I'm gonna close Godot entirely, actually. So to talk crap and pretend to be insightful even though I know nothing. Hey, sometimes that helps, right? I do think that the ultimate problem we're having here is on the Blender side, but I'm not sure what to do about that. Okay, so... Wait, there's a new setting that got... I just noticed the changelog, the import settings for my model. Import as skeleton bones equals false. Why is that there? And import as reset is now false. Like, the setting just wasn't there before. I could try changing it to the other mode. It also now has some sub-resources, such as a node path. Huh. Actually, I'm gonna make another branch, chat. I'm gonna make a temp one. Create it based on this branch, even though we've committed nothing to this branch. Bring my changes with me. Alright. I'm going to roll back the import settings for this file rather than anything else on it. And yeah, we'll leave the scene as is for now, since otherwise I would need to go re-add all those scripts and stuff. We'll do this piecemeal. We'll do this first, then I'll mess with the model, then changes to player model. Now we go back to our other branch. Oh, bring my work with me. Now we reopen Godot. I really should be using a console here. Like, going slower because of the UI commands. As in, like, not like, oh, it slows me down because I can't just type what I want to do. It's not even what I'm getting at. Like, I'm like second guessing myself reading the commands at all. Okay, re-import this guy. See, he's still in the wrong pose, which is suspect, but what if we do this? Still messed up. Okay. So I want to see, like, what I need to take away to make this, like, work correctly. And yeah, I guess those two settings are just new settings, so they're getting added, and that's their default is false for both of them. The import rest as reset and import as skeleton bones. I mean, that should be on, I think, right? Like, import as skeleton bones seems pretty important for a model that I have that's rigged. I think he looks badass with his arms crossed. Okay, but I still need to know why it's happening regardless. I can't just leave it there. He also thinks he has a weapon equipped when he doesn't. We even went and grabbed a weapon, and it didn't like reverse it either. So like it's just not obeying the state machine. It's a feature. Damn it, chat room. Okay, go back to my temp branch. Bring my changes with me. Don't commit that. What are you doing? Okay. Now... Oh, it had to do a merge, right? Because the commit was already over here. It's kind of funny. It actually merged the import settings file gracefully. It didn't even, like, have me look at a merge conflict or anything. Okay, yeah. Add model with new animations. This is gonna error at me, but I think we can just fix it manually. New blank animation. Hello, pizza rolls. The heck is that? What's up, YT this plant? How you doing? Welcome on in. I'm currently breaking my game with a simple change. It's a classic. Vibin'. Awesome. Chat. Does anyone know what game this is from? So I just looked it up. I was gonna assume some sort of space type platformer like, I don't know, even Bubsy, I guess, is a random example, or Brystar, even though it's the SNES playlist, not a Genesis one. What game are you working on? I will show it in just a moment here. Fix one thing, break 10. Yeah, pretty much. Anyway, this is from the Flintstones movie adaptation. The video game based off of the live-action Flintstones movie that came out in the 90s, or 80s? I don't know when that was made, whatever. Anyway, what I'm working on is a 3D survival horror, I guess parody to some degree. I don't know. Right now I'm kind of just working on the engine, so the story elements of this game are not fleshed out yet. I mean, we have like an idea of what we want to do. People are working on designs for stuff, but it's pretty much an engine right now. Working on a survival horror escape room narrative game? Heck yeah. Mine's more like Resident Evil style, where it's like, you get 100 wish lists. Nice, that's awesome. Or almost. Oh, cool stuff. Gotcha. Sorry, you said escape the room. I assumed more like a puzzle game, like The Room or whatever. Late to escape. I'll just check it out. Thanks. Or I mean, nice. Good luck with your project. I lost train of thought. Oh yeah, open the thing back up. Alright, so we've committed this. Went back on my other branch. Like, I'm doing the jankiest rollback right now. It's because I, like... Ah, no, the model's still broken. Let me try to re-import it. Alright. Wait, I think I did it. Hold up. Oh, wait, no, he went back in the right spot for like a second. Also, his animation tree is gonna be all messed up because of the, we're on the old model again, so we don't have the blank animation. Yeah, so both our state machines are rather angry. It's alright. No, it's literally the blank animation. Just put those back to idle, no biggie. Nice, you're also flying. I guess I'm not flying solo, or well, at this very moment I'm flying solo, but I'm on the verge of having other people. I mean, I guess people are contributing to this in ways already. It's weird. We're I'm collaborating with a lot of like pre-planning and like concept stuff at the moment, but everything that you're seeing on screen is stuff I've done myself alone so far. I mean, I didn't make this model, but I did, like, this is like a CC0 model I grabbed somewhere. I am very happy that we found some modeling people, because I do not know how to do a lot of that stuff myself. Like, I know enough to be dangerous, but beyond that. Cool, cool. That sounds unhealthy. But video game crunch is real. I myself have released the title and, well, certainly not spending whole days on it because I was doing it part-time while working a full-time job, but I know how it goes. Put a lot of late hours and free time into my project. I guess this is also similar on that thing. So you get started with tutorials. It's good stuff. It's, I don't know. I find it different enough from my day job that, like, I'm not, Oh, the animations are working again. Sorry, I completely, like, lost my train of thought talking. So yeah, I guess it is something in whatever I exported the last time I did that. But that's scary, because every time I exported, it still busted like that. I don't know how to revert that back to, like, an older, form. Dang it. No, that wouldn't do it. Like, I could re-download the, like, base model again, maybe, and then, like, work off of that. But I have to, like, go, to go animate some stuff. Yeah, damn it, this sucks. Okay, wait, but what about this? What if I take the blank animation out? Maybe the blank animation's actually ruining something. I can remove it like this, right? And then, yeah. Wait, no. Man. Oh! Maybe this thing is causing issues. Oh, that deleted everything. Awesome. Tell a lot's going into this. Yeah, definitely trying to do my best with the project, but right now, this whole situation I feel like is mostly just caused by my inexperience with 3D modeling. Shoot. I also don't, like, this is what I really, like, 3D animation also is just way beyond me. Yeah, I don't know what, like, this 0 or this F or this, like, blank ones next to these two mean. Cool, cool. Hmm. Hmm. The other thing I'm not sure about is why the animations don't play when I do this. Oh, now they do. Okay. It's weird that that wasn't happening earlier. Hmm. Oh, the head. Wonder if, like, maybe I just put, like, one of these in here? Maybe the hip or something? Track the hip. Just have it do literally nothing but, Wait, what, does that not insert keyframe here? Oh, man. I thought there was a way to do this, but I thought it was this too. I guess we could do this, right? Like, just duplicate keyframe. Boom. There. I don't know if that's weird if I only have the, the X. So we'll just do the full XYZ. Forgot to click. Export that bad boy. Oh, am I using, like, the wrong GLB format? Hold on. Ooh, or heck, am I... maybe I should be using the other Blender version. Oh, man, if that's as... if that's as simple as the answer is, then that's awesome. But also, I don't know if that'll be the answer or not. Oh wait, that's the wrong folder there. Let's see. Will his arms be crossed? No. Okay, I might have fixed it. Kind of. Okay, now what if I go into the animation tree and pop the other stuff in. Okay, so get rid of the tilting idle and go back to blank. Oh yeah, okay, no, so blank specifically has the, Wait, is that what's causing the rest of it to break, though? It can't be, right? Maybe it is as simple as that, I don't know. Why? Well, let's see. If we go back to idle on both of these... Alright, well I definitely just created that animation incorrectly. Okay, well that's all that was breaking that apparently. Bizarre, but whatever. At least we can work around that. Well, with that in mind, I'm gonna go back to my other code branch. Oh, I already am at my other code branch. Then I'd like to delete this one, except... yeah. Boom. It's out of there. Okay. Now back to it. Let's, instead of whatever this is, you know, let's just get rid of blank altogether. Or maybe, I don't even know, like, don't use this. Blank. Bad. Blank bad, chat. Now, give me your idle. Okay, seems good. Duplicate that, because the idle is fine, right? So idle 2, idle loop. Blank. Loop. Do we want loop? I don't remember. I feel like I went back and forth on this last time. How come this doesn't have an F next to it? That's what I don't understand here. Yeah, like, okay, here's the confusing thing. Like, I feel like this should be under one of these, but it's not. Also, blank bad is... no, wait, blank bad's like... what the hell? What if blank is just like a reserved term or something? It can't be, but... okay. If I export this, and this still loop also causes issues, like, this should be just broken in the same way. Then we're going to try to take the head animation part out. Then... question marks. I don't know. I should have known that the issue was, like, in my, like, blind spot of skill. The modeling stuff. Okay, well, I didn't change the animation, so nothing broke, but if I go to the animation tree, let's go ahead and set this to still. Okay. Oh, why did I open the code? We don't need to open the code. Hopefully the character model does not get all janked up like it did a second ago. Cool. Oh yeah, you know what else? Hold on, let me turn on no clip. Just make things faster. Oh yeah, that does put you in the floor if the character auto-adjusts, like if I didn't get the height right. Does the gun still work? Yep. Cool. All that is still working as intended. I don't know why it wouldn't be, but you never know. Oh man. Okay, now is the part where we take the head out of this. Or even just uncheck it, maybe? If I uncheck it, then the head won't move. I don't know if this fixes the problem or not. It's a cool track. It's from Waterworld. Dude, okay. I've never seen that video game. I have seen the movie Waterworld hilarious number of times. Okay, so here we go. Kind of working. So I'm still not able to move the head. Although, actually, wait, did I leave the stuff commented out? Oh yeah, the whole script's not running. God damn it. Be funny if it was working previously, and I just didn't realize it because I had the script not running. The other funny part about this taking so long to get set up... Ah, no! Oh wait, I'm getting an error now. Whoa. What on earth? Animation tree editor can only be accessed from either main thread or thread group. Just call deferred instead. Can I get like a call stack or something related to that? Really have no idea where that happened. Okay, did initializing get called? Let's see. No. So didn't even get that far. Or, no. This happened completely unrelated to that. What? But why, though? Okay, that didn't error this time. That must be some random intermittent thing. I can see that the head muscle is still not moving though, so that's not fun. Okay, well, let's try this. Instead of just unchecking that. Whoa. Delete all of these. So now the head... Yeah, so the head has no points on this. Export this real quickly. Whatever. And we haven't gotten to the part where I can do math and figure out the angle to set the slurp towards quicklier. No such luck there. Darn it. Oh, wait. Hold on. Go back to this. We're not playing the idle animation, we're playing the fucking walk loop. So this needs to not reference the head at all. But it looks like it doesn't. So now I'm just confused. was that? Oh, man. At least things aren't broken anymore. That's a slight victory. um... let me just delete these two here. Again, I don't think that's the actual issue here, because this is... not mentioned in the lock loop, which is what's playing. Oh, I'm in object mode. I'm like, why can't I get the bone? Wait, it doesn't work either. Yeah, damn, like, I... don't know how to fix this. This one even has the hip, like, reference, but I was able to move it. Is this thing over here relevant to anything? That's just like an overview grid of it. Wait, what's the gear mean? Oh, F-curve modifiers. Yeah, channel muting. Okay, yeah. Like, I want to add the head as a channel on this and then mute it and see if that fixes my problem. Like, that might do it, but I'm not sure. Unprotect channels. Not sure what that did, so I'm just undoing it. Channel. Select. Like, if I wanted to, like, move this bone as part of the animation, like, how do I get that added to the frickin'... oh, I guess pose mode, maybe? Is that part of it? Regardless of anything, shouldn't it be able to, like, combine the two? Oh, wait, oh, shoot, maybe that's how I do this. Have, like, another thing in my tree that is, like, a splice of, whatever the animation information is for the head, combined with, like, this number instead, that I would just set through this other thing. of parameters can I make in here? It's like simple booleans, but there's gotta be, how did I add parameters? I don't even remember now. Let me see here. Wait, does this like reference them by like... Yeah, there's like a thing, equip pistol. But then this uses like a... Yeah, wait, what the heck? Also wondering if that dash loop, like, is causing, like, ridiculous, like, thrashing in the animation here. It's like, I'm thinking, we do want to combine this with the number of, like, with whatever the position of the head is anyway, because, like, if we have, like, the character looking at something and then we want them to do, like, the speech nod or whatever like that, like, we want those to combine rather than, like, fight against each other. The only thing is, like, I don't know... Like, is blend space what I'm looking for? Don't know. I don't think this is it, no. Yeah, that's the thing, like, all these ultimately just invoke, like, an animation. Like, they aren't, like, dynamic info I can feed into the bones. That's what these rotation things should be there for, but, like, something is just locking the rotation of the head for some reason. Which is really bizarre. Quite obnoxious, to be honest. I cannot figure this out. Godot. Problem to rotate bones in Bones 3D in Animation Player. Wait, so I could have multiple tracks on the animation player is what this is telling me. Oh yeah, look at that. Pass into valid scene paths to a node and must be starting from the parent node of the node that will reproduce the animation. Animation track set path. Note that a bone must be set, specified. Wait, what? I don't think this is what I need. The root node being this guy, yep. Quite a bit lost here. Auto capture on. Playback automatically. This just means play with captures or execute at default. Auto capture duration. Now, what about your settings? Expression base node, animation player, boom. Maybe the filter on the head bone is screwing me up here. Let me turn filtering back off. Because maybe it just like doesn't animate the head at all now because I unchecked that. Nope. Yeah. Riveting stuff. There's literally nothing different about head compared to, like, the right shoulder or even the right thigh. Wait. Oh, right, you can't, like... Wait, no, hold on, though. I need to mess with the rotation. Oh, maybe it's because I'm doing in, like, too large numbers? I don't know. No, it just doesn't like that. Okay, so wait, it doesn't let me change that. Why? The hip let me change it though, right? Yeah. Also, it keeps doing it like not the number I type in. It's making me lose my mind. Oh wait, no, I am typing 89. The mic's in the way. My fingers are off, I guess. Okay, so the hip I can rotate. You... I can rotate. You I can rotate. You I can't rotate. And then you I also can't rotate. So both of these can rotate, but this guy can't. I change his W? Wait, what the heck? So I thought, what the hell? Yeah, no, I can't change his W either. Incredible. Animate physical bones. Yeah, I don't know what's up with this. like... Not the shader. Why would this do this? Any piece of this having anything to do with the head. To the best of my knowledge, there's just not even like a reference to the head in this the state of things here. So, alright. Let's at least get this working, because I think we might actually have this kind of correct. Yeah, what is this anyway? So this is a quaternion. Right, so we should be saving this to original position. Yeah. Oh, right, because the thing's setting position, not rotation. Yeah. Just use a new thing. Oh, but wait, I wanna... No, wait, that might make a new instance. It says get pointer, so that's gonna just give us the actual reference back. Shoot. It's not normalized. What do I want? Okay, I can get the W, X, Y, and Z, so I think what I could do is, just make a new one out of this. Actually, do they have a copy constructor? Can I do that? No, it doesn't like that. But they do have a X, Y, Z, W, I think. That'll work. That way we won't get the wrong value later when we go compare it. Because if we just have the memory reference, then it's gonna like update as we rotate it, and our copy of the original will be ruined. Yeah. Oh wait, not current rotation. I want to do Original rotation dot slurp. No, wait. Is that what I want? No, I want to take the current rotation and slurp that against the original rotation with delta times something. Oh, right. God damn it. Stupid doubles and floats. Name this something better in a second. So yeah, we take the slurp between current angle and target angle. Or target, yeah. Slurp that. And then we take character skeleton dot set bone pose rotation bone index rotate amount. Correct? Correct. Okay. To do. Stop calling this when we're actually at near the original position. Might get that done tonight. But let's see. Meanwhile, current rotation. I mean, at that point, we can just do that once out here, because I'm going to be doing the same thing down in here. Dude, this sounds like Pizza Tower music. Is this from that fucking front mission gun hazard game again, chat? This thing. The game with this cover art. This fucking cat on this guy's shoulder with a gun. I don't know what this game is, but I want to know. Okay, and in this situation, we just want to find, like, the target rotation, essentially. Don't have that currently, but... target rotation... float delta... oh, actually, you know what? Hold on, let's do this. We'll just put it at 1 for now, and then we can tune it to whatever we need. Wait, do I want that tied to the frame rate? Don't I just want them to always look at the same speed? I don't know. I don't actually know. I'll just leave it as is for now. Like, we're definitely gonna need to have that not be 1, because that's gonna be a minuscule number every time we call it as is. No, yeah, we probably do want that tied to the frame rate, because you don't want it to, like... Otherwise the head would turn slower at lower frame rates and faster at faster frame rates, and that's just bizarre. I don't think we actually need bone in this scenario here. Okay, those can't be null. Also don't need original position anymore, yeah. Get that junk out of here. Wait. Oh. Wait, current target. Oh yeah, no. This should be this instead. Target rotation is null. Yeah. Okay, and this is just junk for reference, I guess, more than anything. Pi1, what the hell is this for? Oh yeah, we found the logic to big head mode. Literally just this. This one line of code turns on big head mode. In fact, I can prove it. Behold. Boom. Look at him go. Anyway. It doesn't belong in this class file, so we're leaving it there as a comment for now. Oh man. Same comment for down here as well. I don't need this position thing at all. We don't need to reference the hip bone anymore either. It's not useful to us. I don't know what I did, chat, but my, like, entire middle of my cuticle on my index finger is just gone. Okay, so all this is doing nothing currently, but this will get us relatively, yeah. How long does a project like this take to complete, Goon? I don't know. I don't have a good answer for that. I've only really been through like one completed game project at this point, like for something that I've done like properly from start to finish, and COVID hit us in the middle of that. Also, just working on things like in your spare time like this does drag them out a lot longer than necessary. Like if I were focusing on this as a full-time thing, I would certainly be making a lot. Like we'd probably be as far as we are now in the first like, I don't know, 3 months of development, as opposed to like it's been over a year now, year and a couple months. But that's, you know, working for a couple hours every Sunday and sometimes during the week. That'll get you that. Hey, you know what? Let's put in the logic for like not overly calling this thing, right? It's Project to Love. Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, I think honestly, even when it comes down to like the professional, even like the AAA gaming industry, I don't feel like there's like, sure, yes, there are the money men at the top that fuck with game studios and stuff and ruin video games and anyway, insert 10 million other things here. But in terms of like the people actually making the product, I feel like it has to be a labor of love, because the way that games get made, like, I don't know, even a shitty game is hard to like finish. I'm obviously biased as a game developer myself. I have a lot of passion for the area at both an indie and larger scale level. Now, I'm not saying things like this to justify stuff like crunch or any other sort of, like, you know, overworking in the industry. Like, that is fucked up that happens way too much in the gaming industry. It's one reason why I never have, like, applied to work at a game studio before. Love making games, but I don't want to, like, learn to hate making games. Just watching D. Jocelyn program a few days ago. Hell yeah. It's cool seeing other people's projects. I am... nah, I'll be nice. I had nothing bad to say about D. Jocelyn's project for the record. It's just... gonna give a hot take, that's all. His game looks awesome. I hope that a beta or something of that comes out soon, because well, you guys saw me play that other, that, like, motorcycle Tony Hawk game from last year, or maybe that was 2 years ago? No, that was last year. That was last year. Oh, what the hell was that called? Motor Doom? Yeah, there we go. Love me some Tony Hawk-esque games. I'm so glad, like, I don't know. It seems like a lot of indie studios are embracing that sort of, like, format of video game. I know a lot of them end up not being great. Like, was that Skateburb or whatever was one that's kind of also trying to be in that sphere of arcadey skateboarding sporting games, but even still, I always support the attempt, because someone else hitting a new take on that formula would be really cool. Motor Doom's a great name for a game. Oh yeah. This is a really fun time. I apparently played it on easy mode because I just picked the coolest looking character, which was 2 skeletons and a motorcycle and a sidecar. And having played the other characters after finishing the game with that character, I realized that, like, oh yeah, the fact that this guy shoots automatically makes the game so much easier to control, because there's, like, a lot less to think about. Like, he's weaker, but, like, it doesn't even matter, because you're just focusing on, like, the skateboarding tricks, or, well, the motorcycle tricks. Yeah, so we want a boolean, is looking, or is head moving. There we go. That's what we need. Okay, so we update our look at. I guess what I need to do is if... Whoa, the heck? If closest node... That has value? No. Oh, yeah, actually, yes. Dot has value, and... closest node... Dot... Value dot... Get in... or... wait. What are these? Oh, I just grabbed the transform and nothing else. Ugh. I mean, there's gotta be like an equality comparer for this thing, right? It's not equal. Wait. This is getting complicated. Okay, that actually makes sense. But then I need, like, another scenario as well. Or... closest node is null, and... current target is not null. That is when we're updating our target. Is head moving will equal true. And then basically inside this look at target, if we're at our destination or close to it, I guess we're gonna do. Oh, how do I know if I'm like close to an angle here? I need to look at the documentation for quaternions. What do the values range from? Very compact in memory, blah, 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 whatever, who cares? Oh, I could do get angle. Yeah, I could just call get angle, I guess. Might just do that. Yeah, so look at target, if head is moving, return. Or no, other way around. If the head is not moving, just skip this method, because we don't need to do any of this crap. And then, if rotate amount dot get angle. Please tell me whether this is in radians or degrees. Please tell me if this is in radians or... You son of a bitch. I can't even go in there to find out. Oh, wait, there we go. Okay, 2 times... Wait, 2 times the A cosine? Wait, what? Arc cosine, whatever. Now we're in the math chat. I haven't even gotten the bone to move, so like this won't even work when I'm done with it, but like at least the rest of the logic will be in place when I can finally actually move the bone. That's my logic here, and I'm sticking to it. On the range of 0 to tau over 2. Oh, and then get axis as well. Oh yeah, shoot, it's like 2 of these. Hold on. Or get the Euler angle. Oh, maybe that's what I should do instead. Is normalized length, normalized slurp. Slurp int for some reason. From Euler, star operator. Oh, what does minus operator give me? So I could do that. Is there like a less than on top of that? Like, take the difference between the 2 of them and see if it's like close to 0. I don't know what less than would be. I'm curious, you know? Oh, is equal approximate. Yes! Ah, that's what I like. Okay, this is why we go through documentation, chat. Boom. Is equal approx. Current rotation. No. No. Original rotation, that's what I want. But how much does it do? Oh man. Okay, so it does math dot epsilon. Okay. Alright, I'm following. I think that's probably good enough then. Because the problem is slurp has a logarithmic curve to it, so it never actually reaches the value you're going towards. So I can't just like stop when it reaches its thing. I need it to stop when it gets close to it, and I'm gonna do that with just like a snap into place. But yeah, and then in that case we just set it to the quaternion, or the original amount, or whatever our target amount is essentially. Is head moving becomes false, and then we don't need to call this anymore until our target changes, whether that be emptying the target out or whatever. Also, the cool thing about this is, well, we still need to hook into the event of an item getting picked up, but in fact, that's going to cause some null reference exceptions, which I think we can patch next. But when, like, the player goes to, like, pick an item up that they're looking at, it'll automatically update to, like, look at whatever's closest next, or nothing at all if there is nothing within range. Just because of the way this logic works, because it's going to set this if it has to go back to null, or if it has to update to a new target. Since it works off of whatever's closest, it should always work correctly, I think. Oh, the other thing is we do want to, like, max... Well, okay, that'll be in setting target rotation, which I haven't done yet. Oh, and then this should be else. Else. Do that. If rotate amount is equal approximately to target rotation dot value. Thank you, autocomplete. Actually, what I wanted for once. What once? Yeah. Can't speak tonight, apparently. Is head moving will be false. This basically just will mean that, like, once they reach their destination of what they're trying to look at in terms of, like, target stuff goes... Oh, nope, that's not right. It'll stop calling it in that scenario as well. So both when the player's head is returning to its normal position, as well as when it's finished looking at whatever it's trying to look at, it should prevent extraneous calls after that moment. I'm gonna comment this out for now. It's a cheap and simple way to get it to, like, look up and down when you hold up and down, but, I mean, I think we're past debugging that at this point. We just need to figure out how to make the head bone movable. Okay. So that is good. Oh, right, we need to set target rotation. We haven't done that yet. Yeah, so refresh target nodes. Nope, not correct. Yeah, update look at. Here we go. So now we need to calculate, like, the angle between this and the closest node. And actually current target we might not even need at all. But let's see. Closest node dot oh, right. Dot value. Dot get. Oh. Dot rotation. Nope. Oh, and these are all just the transforms and nothing else. I don't know. Yeah, I need to, like, do something else here, I think, because this is just not I don't know, actually. The transform should update as, like, the object moves. I'm thinking about, like, things that, like, an enemy or whatever that's not going to be in the same spot always. That might be good. Because, yeah, we really just need the origin point of the transform, because we need to draw a line between that and ourselves, and then get the angle to that from whatever the current angle is of the head. So yeah, I guess that would be like our forward vector angled with the line to the thing. Maybe? Either way, chat, before we try that, I'm gonna go grab some water real quick. Be right back. Yeah, this is fine. I need to get a quaternion between two vector 3s, which should be easy, right? I do. Quaternion from 2 vector 3. I think we saw a constructor that involved 2 vector 3s, right? Oh yeah, from 2. There we go, perfect. Should be easy, right? Famous last words, I know. It's been this whole stream. How you doing, Nepio? Okay, so we want closest node dot value dot origin, not dot, vector, no, wait. Literally just take the 2 points and subtract. Transform dot origin minus, there we go. That is the right direction, right? I want to take destination, or origin minus destination. No, I had that backwards. Okay, so that's our first vector. Go back to target. And you know what? Let's get it normalized. Why not? That should clean up our rotation math. I feel like that might burn us if I don't do that. Not current target. Rotation. Target rotation. Equals new quaternion. Transform dot forward. Nope. Nope. At origin. No, that's not right. How do I get my forward vector? Ditto. Get forward vector. What? Oh. Wait, hold on. Also, global transform, I guess, might be a better... Yeah, that would be a better option, wouldn't it? Global transform dot basis dot z is apparently your forward vector. I don't know if I trust that. Anyway, from there to vec to target. You know what? Everywhere I'm referencing transform, I'm gonna do global transform instead. Feel safer that way. What transform am I grabbing when I do this stupid thing? This populate thing? Global transform. I guess I was already doing that? Okay, I definitely don't need, like, all of these things, but whatever. I also, even though we don't have this working anyway, I don't know what transform.toString is, but I mean, oh, actually, wait, no, giving all the info would be good. Definitely don't. No, we definitely printed out a quaternion before. I think it prints nicely. I hope the line breaks work, otherwise I will break. Wouldn't hurt to have a space, I suppose. What am I doing? Yeah, I guess I also want to know this. Surely the basis would be normalized, right? You know what? Let's not risk it. Do double line breaks, 'cause I'm sure these are going to be like lines upon lines of numbers. Also, I think some of these print out in like matrix grid format, so that's going to be annoying. We need to get in a room with an object for that to trigger properly, but I was like, why is his head not moving? Did it break? And I forgot. Oh yeah. Hey. No, it's doing it multiple times. It shouldn't be doing it multiple times. Stop it. How come the null one didn't go through? Oh, it errored actually. Okay, hold on. Which line? Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, don't run that if it's null. Shit. That's why we test stuff, chat. Anyway, we got numbers, so that's cool. So let's look at them. Oh wait, you know what I can do to test if this works or not? I can just turn off the animation player. Like, it doesn't matter, like, I don't need my animations to play to test the thing, right? It's very silly that I have not realized this until just now. Okay, so this is, found thing to look at, an update look at. Oh wait, shit. Wait, no, is that? Set new target look at. Wait. Oh. Well, no, hold on. That should still be in the output, shouldn't it? Update look at. No, it doesn't. Well, what? I'm so confused. Yeah, that has to be within distance. Oh, so that blew up permanently because there was nothing to... I don't know. Weird. Seeing no errors. Oh, right, it only did it once, because it's continuously calling this, but it's not triggering the full re-update. Okay, so that is working the way we want it to. Nice. So yeah, you can see this first time... Wait, no, hold on. Found thing to look at, set new look at target. Yeah, okay, good. Current target equals blah, 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 blah. That's weird. it's 0, 1. And then the O is weird. Oh, that's origin, right? Yeah, so that should be... Okay. Back to target. Let me go to that room really quick. That would be Park Main. If I can find it. There it is. Stupid viewport out of my way. Okay, so if we were facing this way, right? So we're facing in the negative Z. Yep, negative Z. And then a little bit down, because... Oh wait, no. Should that be up or down? Maybe the hitbox. Oh yeah, the origin point might be up because that's where the spawner is. It's like kind of a big square for the hitbox. Okay, so that's fine. Looks like it drew the line correctly in the right direction. Then slightly a little bit on the x-axis, whatever, it's fine. It's probably just to the... Oh yeah, to go to the left. I don't know what else I just undid. Alright. Cool. Oh yeah, so that vector seems to work out correctly. Then target rotation is that. I don't know if that's right or not. My new emote. Enjoy. But there is one way where we can find out whether this is correct or not. Let's go back to player prefab. Or was it human low or whatever? Yeah, I need the actual model of the player. There we go. Yeah, that's one thing I hadn't considered, whether the updates I make on the actual root scene will apply to that since we're overriding it in the scene. How do I find global min of loss function? What is a loss function? I'm not sure. Also, welcome on in, Engineering Love. Alright, so we're just gonna turn the animation tree off. This way it should allow us to... There we go. No, wait, what? I can no longer disable this. Oh, I got... Oh, that's interesting. Disable that first, and then you can disable it. Weird. So now it should actually rotate the head, since the head's not controlled by the animation player any longer. We'll see how well this works. This is possibly going to end horribly, or it'll work perfectly. Can't tell if that did a trick or not. Doing matrix math too? Hell yeah. Oh, we're getting a bunch of errors. Shoot. Invalid operation. Okay, cool. Why can't I slurp that? Element of the loss function in matrices. Off the top of my head here. Oops. I'm completely blanking on like what a loss function is. Like, is that just subtracting two matrices, or is that not what that means? So it didn't like this slurp for some reason. Difference in the output parameters in the unknown labels, or in the known labels. Gotcha. Oh yeah, so it is like doing like a difference then. You're subtracting one set from another set. Sounds like, maybe? I might be misunderstanding. Oh, you know what? We need to update the look, even when, like, the player rotates. Ah, shoot. So maybe I shouldn't have this, like, stopping look at logic. Regardless, I don't know why this is erroring. Invalid operation exception. Any more details here? Alright, well, it's in the slurp call. Go slurp invalid operation exception. Slurp can't work with normalized vectors? Wait, what? The fact that I normalized it is breaking it? There's no way. I think this person maybe worded their question slightly incorrectly. The irony. Mostly joking as your title is doing matrix math and studying machine learning. Nice. Both quaternions must be normalized. Oh, okay, so if this one's not normalized... Well, this should be normalized, though. I think. Yeah, target rotation... Maybe I do need to, like, normalize the result of this. But it looked normalized because it was between 0 and 1, although it was negative. Maybe not... no, that still should be okay, right? Oh, this is a generally unsolved problem. Gotcha, gotcha. Oh, man. Okay. Something is wrong here. I mean, that will have both of them normalized now. I'm a little worried about the original rotation not being normalized, but... Well, no, if this is safe to use, then we're good. Because that was fine when we were just doing, like, this example down here, so I think whatever get bone pose rotation returns is normalized. maybe we're safe now? I do think I need to remove that, like, that efficiency thing of not updating it, because, wait, we're already erroring. Great. Okay, well that just happens sometimes. It seems to not affect anything, so we're gonna ignore that. Nope, it's still spewing quite a few errors. Okay. So yeah, target rotation is... they're all positive numbers between 0 and 1, so like, that should be valid. Assuming it's the same error, right? Yeah, invalid operation. We normalized to unit vectors? Correct, yes. It's weird that it would error at me instead of just returning like a bad number. Like, I don't know if that's just some feature in Godot where it's like safety checking and you're like, hold on, you're doing your vector math incorrectly because something is something is not normalized. I don't do game, just guessing from linear algebra, gotcha. Yeah. Incredibly, I mean, hell, even in linear algebra, like, you still need to, like, for some dot operations, like, you need them normalized or else you'll get weird numbers, I think, right? I don't know. Whatever. I don't know. Gotcha, gotcha. Original rotation, rotate amount. I mean, I guess it wouldn't hurt to normalize this number, but like, I don't... I'm just gonna print something here. It's probably gonna spam the output for a bit here. Or maybe the amount is the weight is just too low. Like, it's like effectively 0 because of the frame rate. Ah, shoot, maybe that is actually it. Dang it. I got thrown off by the documentation because it's like, well, both must be normalized, and like, I just assumed that's why it was an invalid operation, but if you do a slurp to 0... Well, no, that would just give you, like, 0, though, because that's just a multiplier on top of, like... I don't know. Maybe I've got that wrong. Maybe that's, like, doing log 0 or something. Oh, yeah, actually, wait, that probably is the case. No, we're not dividing by 0. Sine of 1 minus 0, that would be fine. Sine of 0 times 2 over... Yeah, that would... Wait. Like, sine of 0 is a thing. I'm losing my mind here. It's not like an invalid operation. Yeah, whatever. We're good. So maybe, I don't know. I think we just take delta out of here momentarily. Yeah, I don't... Maybe I'll print that thing out, but also, like... Try this. This will pretty much make it instantaneous for them to move their head to the object, but it's fine. This could be the issue. We also might not have the math right for the angle anyway, so that... Okay, hold on. The head's not really moving, as far as I can tell. Oh wait, no, it did kind of move. Yeah. Does it go back? It does go back. I think it's rotating on the wrong axis, though. I need to turn the stupid filter off. Also, I need to make a room where I can, like, have a close-up of the player looking at something a little bit better. This one has no good angles. It might be working. Do I have an easy way to turn that shader off? Kinda don't. Well, we could track the, like, the mesh in the inspector. It's first person difficult. First person's actually, like, kind of, well, I don't want to say it's easy, but, it's easier than having the system I put in place, at least, because you just have, like, one angle that's controlled by player input. I mean, doing a 3D game in general is really tough if you've never, like, made a game before. I would not recommend starting with a 3D game. But, having said that, first person does give you, like, a lot of, like... You get away with a lot of stuff that, like, another camera angle would not, that you need to account for. Like, you never need to worry about clipping through stuff so that the player, like, can't see outside of the boundaries of what's in the level. Since, like, it's just their camera, so as long as they themselves aren't clipping out, you're good. You don't need an actual model for your character, so you can get started a lot faster than a third-person perspective. How to do the projection, or is the framework doing that? The framework does that. Yeah, no, like, I mean, you could probably see through the code here. Like, a lot of these I'm just sort of calling, like, built-in methods. Like, I didn't make this slurp. I just, that's just a native, like, engine method I'm using. And most game engines will have something like that. Same goes for simple operations, like normalizing something or otherwise, like, even doing, like, simple matrix adds, like, I can just do this, like, variable A versus, or plus variable B. Why can't the person look at target natively? There is sort of a thing for that. There is, what is it, transform.lookat? Yeah, no wait, looking at? Yeah. So this will give you, like, a rotation of, like, okay, take this object and then have it go look at that thing. But that does it, like, instantaneously, and I'm trying to, like, make it so it'll happen over time, which is why I have this slurp here. So you have, like, a natural, just, like, head turn instead of just snapping to whatever they want to look at. Calling function is passing small deltas. Yes, yeah, so the delta is how many seconds it has been since the last time. So if I go all the way up here, I have this method physics process. There's also a method called process, but there's like a slight difference between which one you use. Honestly, I don't know if physics process is appropriate here or if process would be better, because physics process is meant to be for physics calculations, where this isn't quite that. I'm just moving, like, a bone on a character. Anyway, details aside, it passes in, like, how many frames it's been, or how many seconds it's been since the last frame was processed, and since my game will just process it like a whatever frame rate the computer can handle, it's often helpful to multiply this number by the speed of things, because then that will prevent your game from running differently based on whatever the frame rate is. Referencing line 80. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, not angle delta. Delta is in, like, delta time. time since last update is what that's meant for. That's definitely a very easy mistake if you've never done video game coding before, because that's almost like a industry standard term, I'd say, where like most game engines, or even like if you're rolling your own, you would probably refer to that measurement as the delta. But yeah, I see how, since we're talking all about angles, that is actually kind of confusing, but... How does it know where to look given only a time change? So, I have another method I'm calling called look at, or update look at, that goes through all of our potential targets, checks if they're close enough to us, so that it would have the character like look at them, and then update whatever we're currently looking at based off what was closest, if anything, within range. The only thing I want to do with this, so those numbers are nice and I might need them again, but for now, I think we just ignore this altogether. This is going to be inefficient, but we can just keep calling this. This is actually why I set this up this way. So the update look at, we actually have a thing that throttles it so it doesn't get called every frame. So here's actually where I'm using delta. I like keep a running tally to see how long it's been since we called this update. And then once it's been enough time, which is just based off of a constant that I defined myself, currently have it set to 1 second, then go ahead and like, okay, make the call to update what you're looking at. My logic here was pretty decent, but the problem is when the player moves or rotates or otherwise like changes where their head is, we also need to update on that scenario, like on that condition as well. It's definitely some work to be done there still, but cool stuff, thanks. Yeah, no problem. I'm certainly always happy to talk shop. I don't think this is quite working. Also, I really should... It's doing something... Wait, now it's working. Wait, what's happening? It's kind of working. Okay, that I knew was gonna happen, because the it's funny, you could see that there's like a 1 second delay to everything instead of just the head breaking in real time. It's almost working. That's not quite getting it how I want it, but the head sure is rotating. That much is for sure. His neck's broken. Wait, it's not returning correctly. No! Now it pops back into place. Incredible. Yeah, so the idea is, so because I'm intentionally going with this fixed camera angle perspective, I want to have it be obvious when there's like something to interact with, whether that's an enemy or like an item on the ground or anything like that. So that's essentially the code I'm trying to write, is to get the player to slowly like look over at what they are supposed to look at when it's in the room. Okay, so we can actually play with this a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna bring that delta multiplication back, but then I just need to like change the look at speed by like a lot. Also need to cast the delta because delta is given to you as a double. However, almost every single data type in this engine is in a float format when it comes to like a decimal number, so it's really annoying when you need to like do operations. You almost always have to cast something. Oh, right, I need to up the number as well. So I'm just gonna say like, oh, you know what, let's make this exportable and then we can actually update it on the fly and see what like looks like a good number. Although having it const is not gonna help us. I That is not the right variable. Look speed, there we go. And we'll start it at 100 and move down from there. Maybe I'll add another cheat in so that we can, oh yeah, shoot. So you can go fast without no clipping, because no clip is a little jank. Oh no! My number is not high enough. Wait, how is it still erroring? Is it like retry or something? Can I have it spawn me in a precise spot for testing? Yes and no. I do have a working load system. The problem is just, it's like tab management actually, because like what I do have it set up so that I can like launch a scene from the specific scene, which would be a slightly faster way to get this set up, but okay. Back to working again. Oh, I think part of the problem too is it's probably looking at it from like the wrong side. Or like it's looking above where it actually should be looking. That goes back to the hitbox thing I was talking about earlier. Don't know why the player is like completely craning their neck, but... Oh no, we are getting errors. Wait, what? Dude, it's holy crap, it's accelerating. Poor guy. So it worked for a second. Alright, how about this? How about... How about we have like a minimum speed? Math f.min between that, or no, max between that and min look speed. This is really stupid, but whatever. Have this be like 01. Hey, what's up, Matt? How's it going? I'm losing my mind trying to get the player's head to turn at items that I want them to look at. How are you doing? Has your project's been going? Oh, right, then this is still a float. Or still a double, so I gotta do that. Your frame rate is too fast playing Goon's Museum of Doom. It's gonna... The look at feature just won't work. Now that pain in approximately 4 months. Nice. Ah. Keep trying to use the console like a console. We should build the console out some more at some point. Oh, it's still erroring at me. What the heck? Is sine of 0.01f too much? Or too little, I mean? It's driving me insane, man. mathf.max, so whatever the higher number is. Bugging my camera system I've left unfixed for months and just procrastinating by doing other work. Nice. How did this make it worse? That's what I really don't understand here. Unless like 0.01f is just too small. Alright, how about 0.1f? That's like way too fast, but like whatever. Hey, wait, it's working, but also it's erroring. What the fuck? How is that too much? What the fuck? How? I don't understand this at all, man. Just invalid operate. Oh, Quaternion's not normal. God damn it. Okay. Okay, well that one's definitely normalized. So I guess it is, like, this is not guaranteed to be normalized. Which I guess also the original one should also be set as, not normalized. Cool. Alright, well now I'm gonna put it back to like point, and you know what, I'm gonna put it even lower. Y'all can't stop me. 0.001. I'm really just making extra work for myself. Oh my god, the headbang! Meters per second? What on earth is happening? Well, that's cursed. Why does it keep doing that? Alright, chat. I'm throwing in the towel. It's 11 o'clock. I don't know what the hell is wrong with this thing. But something is very clearly wrong with this thing. Oh wait, oh, maybe my look speed just way too fast. Hold on, hold on. I'm onto something here. Like it's overshooting it, maybe? Like the angle shouldn't update, right? Oh yeah, now it's normal. Okay. Like, I mean, it's still wrong, but... it's like almost working. This is actually kind of crazy. Just don't know why it's like twitching to the wrong spot sometimes. I'm gonna call that kinda functional. And switch gears into playing some video games, because, dear lord, my brain has melted from this session of try to make the player's head rotate simply. Apparently that's just an impossible task. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna keep hacking away at this eventually, whether it's on stream or off stream, but for now I think I'm gonna switch gears. Let's play some games, chat. Actually, before any of that, I'm gonna get up really quick and take a quick break. But I'll be right back and we will play some games. Which games, you might ask? TBD. I don't know, actually. But yeah, I'll be right back.